Hello everyone, I'm your host Haroon Zuberi. In this video, we are going to learn that how can we create an account over GitHub. So let's get started. First of all guys, let us know that what is GitHub. GitHub is a hosting provider that provides us hosting for a version management for Git. GitHub provides us the hosting that we call our repository or a central database in which all our project resides. There are several other providers such as Bitbucket or GitLab also there, and there are many others that you can figure it out over Google. So let's talk about the GitHub in this. Let's go to the Google and type GitHub. You can say github.com. You will go to the page, just click over sign up. And then you need to choose up a name over here or a password. Okay, you can say what is your Gmail. Okay, my Gmail right now I'm using solutions@gmail.com. Okay, continue. Choose a password. Here I'm going to choose a password. And then continue. Okay, what is my username? It is 3 seconds. Solutions. See it is available or not. Continue. Yes, it is available. You can see the tick mark over all these stuff. It means that they're all right. Now you can see, would you like to receive product updates and announcements via email? Type Y or N. Like you can say GitHub as there are several products and they provide their several updates. Like last time I have the update over the GitHub SSH keys, so you can subscribe them for the updates. Like I'm putting a Y over here. Click continue. Now here it will say please solve the puzzle to verify that you are a human. Start puzzle. Okay, start the puzzle. It will say pick up the spiral. Okay, here's the spiral one. Okay, I'm the human. Pick up the spiral again. It's the spiral. Okay, pick up the spiral again. Here's the spiral. Now let's see what it will say. Pick up the spiral. Pick up the spiral. Oh, finally it verifies me as the human. Now go to create account. Here it will be sending me the confirmation code over my email. I already have logged in my email. You can see I just received an email over GitHub launch code. I just copy it over here. Copy and paste and see. Okay, it verified me, and now it's just asking me for some other details. How many team members you will have working with you. Right now it's you can say 5 or 10. Are you a teacher or a student? I am nothing. Continue. What specific features are you interested in? Collaborative coding, automation and CI/CD, security, client apps, project management. You can choose your concern. My main concern is team administration and project management. So continue. This is for survey guys. You can choose any you want. Continue with the free one. You can go over the paid one if you want. Now initializing your dashboard. Now the beautiful dashboard of the GitHub is over here. Whenever you in the next video we will see that what are the Git repositories and how can we create up a repository. Here you can see over the option over here. We will figure it out in the next video. If you want to know more about Git and its details, you can follow up the playlist. I hope it will definitely be informative for you. See you next time guys. Till now, take care of yourself. Bye bye.